Hello,
welcome.
teacher.
Welcome to our
I am
class.
Michael. Teacher, I'm Essie. Number is a G.
Who is that? Is that Nam?
Yes.
Joyko Cool Kid? Are you Nam?
Oh, anchor.
Oh, it's Nam. Can I see your face, Nam? Are you Nam?
Yes, you go in chat.
Oh, wait. I cannot see the chat. Let me just
What?
check. Do you afraid about it? Huh? Hello. Oh, you changed. What what do you afraid of? Okay. Instead of saying do you afraid, Nam, so you can say are you afraid about it? Are you
I
afraid?
am Michael.
I am Michael. Okay. Are you afraid about it? Instead of saying do you afraid about it? You can say are you afraid about it? Okay. Who are you asking? Okay. So now, um, good evening to the both of you, Nam and Ja. So before we start our lesson, I want to ask you first, how are you today? How are you
I'm
both?
fine.
You're fine. How
I
about Jang? Mm.
can't hear.
Did you already eat your dinner?
Yeah.
Okay, what did you eat for dinner?
Eat teacher.
Huh? What did you eat for dinner?
I eat you.
I eat me? You
Yeah.
eat me? You're cannibal. We don't eat people. Oh no. Okay.
I'm a monster. I can eat you.
You're a monster? Oh no. You're what kind of monster are you?
A goat.
You're a goat? Is goat a monster?
Yes. A
Hmm?
goat. Goat.
Or zombie? Do you want to be a zombie?
Yes. I am a
Yes.
zombie. Because I like to eat people.
You like to eat people? Oh no.
This. This monster tomato.
Monster tomato. Okay. It looks like do you know Plants vs Zombies? Do you know it? Plants vs Zombies? The game? How do you don't know Plants vs Zombies? Really? This one. Do you know this game?
Okay. Teacher, look at
Yes.
the
Huh?
zombie.
Yes, Plants vs Zombies. Do you play it before? Do you play this before? Yes or no?
No.
Oh,
Okay. Teacher, can say
oh,
the black my my sister has new soccer to 100.
100?
Yes.
What is that? In Roblox?
Now in Block Blast.
Oh, in Roblox. Do you want to play Roblox after our class?
Now it's Block
What?
Blast.
What is that?
Bây giờ đang học đi học.
Okay, so since I think you both are ready with our lesson, so again, let's start our lesson because we are close to finishing this lesson. So after this one, we will play again bamboozle, okay? Okay, okay. So make sure to listen to our lesson because in our bamboozle, so it is connected with the lesson. Okay, so now let's start our lesson, Nam and Jang. So let's take a look at this food, or this is the thing that we can see in the garden. What is this? What is this, Nam and Jang? Hello? What is this?
Tomato.
Okay, is it,
Tomato.
is it tomato or tomato?
Tomato.
Okay, we should use tomato because it is the universal English. Tomato is for British accent. But tomato, it is more generalized. So let's say tomato, tomato instead of tomato. Okay, one more time. Let's say tomato. Hello? Tomato. Let's say tomato. Don't want to play? No one's answering.
Tomato.
Okay, very good.
Tomato.
Okay, what is the color of the tomatoes?
Tomato orange.
Very good. Okay, tomato are red. So we will use R because we can see here. So we have 5 tomatoes. So meaning, so we have 2 or more tomatoes. So instead of using tomatoes is red, we will use tomatoes are red. But however, if there are or there is only one tomato, we can use tomato is red. Okay? So this one, tomatoes are red because we have 5 tomatoes. So we will add ES to the word tomato. So next, oh, what is the cat eating?
The cat eating corn.
Okay, very good.
Oh my god. The cat is Naruto.
That is Naruto. The cat is eating corn. So very good to the both of you. So next,
Duck are playing in the
where are they? In the what is this
playground.
place? Okay, very good.
Bedroom.
In the classroom? Is it a classroom? Are you sure?
In the
You,
classroom.
you can see swings in the classroom?
Yeah. That is bedroom.
No,
In
it
the
is not.
computer.
Because this one is outside. We can only see playground outside. We cannot see playground inside the classroom. Except if it is an indoor playground. So you can play inside. Okay, so next. What is the girl doing?
The girl cutting tomato. Tomato.
Okay, very good. Tomato or tomatoes?
Tomatoes.
Okay, very good. So tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
Okay, tomatoes. Because we don't have only one tomatoes, we have more tomatoes here. So we will use tomatoes.
1,000 tomato.
1,000 tomatoes. So next, what is the boy eating?
Eating watermelon. He eating watermelon.
Okay, very good. He is eating
Watermelon.
watermelon. Very good. So nice. So next. Oh, so let's have here.
Beans.
Yes, beans and peas.
Beans.
Okay, very good. Where is the bean? Or where are the beans, Nam and Jang? Can you circle?
The bean is picture 1.
Picture 1. Very good. Beans are picture 1. So picture 2 is, what is picture 2?
Bean. Peas.
Peas. Very good. Because as we can see, so as what we had learned last time, peas are round. Peas are round or circle. However, beans are long. Beans are long. So that is the difference. Now, teacher has a question for the both of you, Nam and Jang. What are the difference between beans and peas? Nam and Jang, what are the difference between beans and peas?
They are green.
Oh, what are the difference? Yes, they are green. It is their similarity. When we say,
And peas is round.
okay, very good. How about beans? Beans is?
It's round.
Oh, peas is round. How about beans? Beans.
It is long.
Very good. So that is the main difference of peas and beans. Peas are round, beans are long. So very good. So nice. Okay, so next.
Teacher.
Yes,
Teacher has two baby.
two baby. I have two baby. No, I don't have. I still don't have a baby. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Nam and Jang, have you already tried this fruit? Yes or no?
No.
No? You haven't eaten watermelon yet?
I'm no.
Are you sure? You said before that you already eaten a watermelon, and you said that it tastes sweet.
I am alien.
Alien?
I am alien. I can eat melon.
Uh, are you sure? You're lying, huh?
Yes.
You're
I am
lying.
an alien. I am the iron golden.
Huh? Golden?
Yes.
What golden? The movie?
Iron golden.
Huh? Okay, so this is the watermelon. Are you sure you haven't eaten a watermelon yet?
No, is
It is?
is one is 1.25 0.25.
Huh? You're 25? Okay, so for Nam and Jang, even though you still haven't eaten watermelon, so since you said that you haven't eaten watermelon, so I will just describe the taste of the watermelon to you. So how does it taste? The
It
what?
is sweet.
Oh, I thought you haven't eaten watermelon. Why do you know that it tastes sweet?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Like poop.
Like,
Because it rains.
no, because okay, so watermelon's a very good name. Watermelon tastes sweet and it is also watery and refreshing. That is why watermelon is very good, especially in summer. So we can just drink watermelon and we will be refreshed. Okay? Okay, so next, let's move on to our next one. What vegetable is this, Nam and Chang?
Yes, yes.
It is an onion. Very good. How does onion taste? Have you already eaten an onion?
It's like poop.
Tastes like poop? Are you sure? Onions taste. Um, have you already eaten an onion, Nam and Jang?
Onion taste.
How does it taste?
No.
It doesn't have a taste? Okay.
I eat
Onions.
onion, but I can taste.
Oh, you cannot taste. Oh, but if you eat a raw onion, so onions taste like spicy and sometimes sweet, especially when it is cooked. So it tastes spicy, it tastes sweet. Okay? So next. Okay, so let's have here another question. My mom often cries when we My mom often cries when she cuts onions. Do you know why?
Because it's spicy. Because it's spicy.
I can hear your brother there. Because it's spicy. Very good, Nam's brother. Yes, okay. So because it's spicy, and also onions have a strong or have a special juice. Onions have special juice that goes in the air when we cut them. That is why when we cut onions, so the juices goes to our eyes. So we cry or our eyes sting, hurts. So that is onion. So next, what 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 is this?
Potato.
Potatoes. Very good. These are potatoes. So now, have you tried this or have you tried eating potatoes?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. How does it taste like?
It's yummy.
It's yummy. Very good. Especially when we cook it fried, so it becomes French fries.
And chips.
Yes, it's also chips, potato chips. So, do you know the potato chips Pringles? Do you know Pringles?
Yes. No.
I know you don't know Pringles. Oh no, you're missing out. This is a yes.
Can
You
have
don't
1,000.
you don't
I see 1,000 less.
Lays?
Yes.
Oh yes, Lays. Also Lays. Lays is also potato chips. So
I like
this
less.
mm, okay, so this chips are made from real potatoes. But since yes,
Teacher. And one more is sweet. Sweet.
what is that?
I like sweet.
What is that? Is it also potato chips?
Yes.
Oh, we don't have this one in our country, swing.
A kind of potato.
Oh, it's only in Vietnam. It's a Vietnam potato chips.
Has two.
Two?
Three.
Two flavors?
Teacher in China.
Yes. In China, what? In China, there is also potato chips in China?
No.
I know. Okay, so that is potatoes. So now, what dishes can you make from potatoes? What dishes or what are the food that you can make?
French fries.
French fries, very good. So French fries. So these are all the dishes that we can make out of
Cheese.
potatoes. Cheese?
Chips.
Chips, yes, chips. Yes, this one, potato chips. So we can make French fries. These are long, thin fried potatoes, mashed potatoes, soft
6, 7 potato.
7. We don't have that one.
Teacher,
Oh, yes.
I see 6, 7 in Roblox.
Oh, yes, there is 6, 7 in Roblox. Okay, so next is boiled potatoes. We cook potato in hot water. And the last one is potato chips. 6, 7. Okay, so next.
6, 7.
Okay, so next. What vegetable is this?
The tomato. Tomato.
Okay. Can you name some dishes made of tomatoes?
Is can like tomato sauce
Tomato sauce. Yes, very good. We can have tomato sauce like ketchup.
and burger.
Tomato burger. Yes, we can add tomatoes in our burger. Do you eat tomato soup?
Yes. No.
Yes.
Today I eat.
Today you eat tomato soup? Wow, it's very delicious, right? Tomato soup is very delicious. And it is also healthy. Like what teacher said, tomatoes are good for our skin. That is why if you want to have a good skin, you should eat tomatoes. Okay? So these are the dishes that we can make out of tomatoes. So can you read this one? Nam and Jang, can you read?
Tomato soup, warm, soft, and tasty. I eat tomato soup when it's cold.
Okay.
Tomato salad, fresh tomato with other vegetables.
With other restaurant. Next, tomato sauce.
I eat tomato juice.
This one. Tomato
Wait,
sauce.
I eat tomato. Wait,
Huh? What are you reading? Tomato sauce, tomato
tomato
salad.
sauce used for pasta or pizza.
Okay, very good. And last one, tomato.
Tomato juice, drink made from tomatoes.
Okay, very good. One more time. Let's read this one, Nam. Let's say made. Made.
Made.
Okay, very good. So made. Okay. So have you already tried tomato juice? Drinking tomato juice?
No.
No?
No.
It's very delicious. It tastes sour, but it's sweet. Okay, so now, what dishes do you like the best for tomato? What dishes or which dishes do you like the best for tomatoes? What do you like? Tomato soup? Do you like tomato sauce? Do you like tomato salad? Do you like tomato juice?
Tomato salad.
Oh, tomato salad. Wow, that's good that you're eating tomato salad. How about you, Jang? What is your favorite or what dishes do you like? Do you like tomato soup, tomato juice, tomato salad, tomato sauce? Jang.
Tomato, tomato, pizza.
Oh, tomato pizza. So yes. Okay, yes. So we have
Italy.
Italy. Wow. Have you gone to Italy? Italy is a very good country.
Ah,
Okay. So that,
tomato can, can in the Italy spaghetti.
huh? What?
Spaghetti. Spaghetti.
What? Okay, so next, let's move on to to the next thing that we can see in the garden. So what is this?
The corn.
The corn. Very good. So when I go to the movie, I always eat corn. Do you know the name of it?
Yes.
What is the corn that we eat in the movie theater?
Popcorn.
Okay, very good. So it is popcorn. So now, Jang, can you read this one? Jang?
Yes. Popcorn
Okay.
is corn that cook pops and we can let and crush it.
Okay, very good. So let's read these words again. Let's say until.
Mom, my mom, my mom fried the corn.
Oh, your mom cooks popcorn?
No,
No.
fried corn.
What is that? Dry corn?
No, fried
A
corn.
fried corn. Oh, you like fried corn?
Yes.
Oh, I like popcorn. And also sweet corn. Okay, okay. So I think this is the last slide that we have, and we will play bamboozle. So for this activity, we'll have an activity. So you will name the pictures, and if the pictures begins with letter H, you will write big H and small h. Okay? Okay? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. So if the pictures
Well, I have, I,
okay. Okay, so now let's name. Let's name all of the pictures. Write your answers. You can write the name of the pictures. Okay, go. Take your time. And after you write, so we will name. Question mark. You don't know this one, Jang?
this.
It is what we use to garden in the garden.
Gà về mây, mẹ con về Bắc.
Okay, so tell teacher if you are finished, okay? Finish? Are you finished?
This.
And yes, how about Nam? Are you finished, Nam?
Yes.
Okay, so now, okay, so let's go to this first picture. What is this?
Is a hat.
Okay, very good. So it starts with letter
H.
H. Very good. How about this one?
A garden.
Garden. Very good. This is a garden. So it doesn't start with letter H. How about this? You don't know this one?
Yes. I don't know.
Okay, so we call this one hose.
Horse.
Yes,
Hose.
what water hose.
Are you horse?
This is what, so it starts with letter H also. So this is what we use to water the plants. So this is a hose. Okay, so next, how about this one?
Honey.
Honey,
Honey.
very good. Have you tried eating honey before?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, what does it taste like?
They taste sweet.
Very good. It tastes sweet. Do you like honeys?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, I like honey too. It's very good for your cough or yeah, it's very good for your throat. So next, this one. What is this, Nam and Jang?
I don't know. Heel.
Yes, very good. This is a heel. Why didn't you write H? Yes, okay. So this is a heel. How about this? What is this?
Girl.
It's a girl. But what do we call this?
Hey.
Head. Very good. So it's letter H. Okay, this one. What is this?
Heart. Heart.
Heart. Very good. How about the next
House.
picture?
House.
This one.
I don't know.
Okay, we call this one as shovel. Shovel. This is what we Yes, this is what we use to dig our garden, especially when we harvest. Okay, so very good. So good job for this one, Nam and Jack. Okay, so now let's play some games. Ten, 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 ten. Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh my God. Let's spin the wheel.
Oh my god. Okay. Wait. Oh my god.
Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh my God! Wow!
Okay, Jang is the first one.
Young fat.
Okay, Jang first. Okay.
Young fat.
Okay, wait. Let me just...
Squeeze. No. Oh. What the hell? Cô ơi. Cô hiểu. Oh my God. Cô không hiểu một cái gì luôn á.
Oh no. Oh yes, it's squeeze, I think. Oh no. It's classic. It's squeeze? Oh no, it's squeeze. Yeah, it's squeeze. Okay, it's squeeze. So Jang is first. What is the name of first? What is the name of your... Can you chat? Can you chat the name of your teams?
Russia.
What? Chat.
No, Philippines.
Type the name of your teams. Go to the chat box.
Đó là cạnh nhà tôi hồi trước. Ung Tân, chứ không phải cách nhà.
What is the name of your teams? Roshan? How about Nam? What is the name of your team, Nam?
Taekwondo. No.
Taekwondo?
Who asked?
Type.
Joy Cuckoo Kids.
Type.
Cuckoo Kids.
What is... Can you type that one?
Okay.
Type it. Okay. No coaching from your brothers, huh? No coaching.
Okay.
Joy Cool Kid. Okay, so let me just change. What is your name? Team Russian?
Eaters.
Ears? This one?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Let's start. Okay, choose a number.
Number 4.
What's this?
4. Lift is a lift.
Okay, very good.
Number 3.
What's this?
Soil.
It's?
Soil.
Okay, very good. So let's check. Very good. It's soil.
2.
What?
2.
Number 2. Okay, wait.
Oh my God. 2.
Wait. Let me just check. Okay, number 2. What's this?
It is a bunny.
Are you sure?
No, it's a rabbit.
Okay, let's check.
A
Final
bunny.
Final answer?
Yes. A bunny.
Okay, it's a rabbit.
Number 7.
7. What's
It's
this?
a tree.
Okay, final answer?
It's a tree.
Okay, very good. Okay, next. Number 5. Oh, what's this?
It is plant.
No, this one.
It is seed.
It's?
Seed.
What? How do you spell that?
S-E-E-E.
S-E.
S-E-E-D.
A seed. Are you sure? Final answer?
Yes.
You want to check?
Yes.
Are you sure?
No.
We use this to grow our plants. I think this is a new word for you.
Seed.
Okay. You want to check?
Yes.
What is it?
Lizard.
Okay. One more time. Let's say fertilizer. One more time. Let's say fertilizer.
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 One more time. Fertilizer.
Fertilizer.
Okay, very good. So, oops. So this is a fertilizer. A fertilizer is what we use for our plants to grow. So this is like,
To the plants.
yes,
To
this is like a vitamins to our plants that we grow. So this is a fertilizer, not seeds. Okay, so nice try, Jang.
Six.
Number
Six.
6. 6?
Yeah.
Okay. What's this? What is this? Why your camera is off?
Bench.
I can hear your brother. No coaching or I will oops this.
Okay. Ooh.
Oops. Can I see?
Yeah.
Open your camera. No coaching, please. Because it's unfair to Jang. Jang doesn't know some answers and he don't ask for answers from his family.
Bench.
You want to oops? Okay,
No.
later we will oops if you ask the answer to your brother, okay? Because it's unfair. It's unfair.
Number 1.
Number 1. What's
A bird. A bird.
What's a bird? Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Yay.
Okay, next.
Number 8.
Number 8, no coaching. Okay. What's this?
It's a flower.
It's a flower. Very good. It's flower.
Number
Next.
9. Number 9.
Number 9. Do you know this one? I know you know this one.
Plant.
It's
The plant.
Flange? How do you spell that one? Jang?
Face.
No
Face.
coaching. No coaching. I will oops you later. How do you spell that one, Jang?
Frate.
Frate?
Yes.
This one?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
No, we already answered this one last time. Do you want to check?
No.
No. You want to check the answer?
Yes.
Okay. We call this as fence. You forgot fence? Nam remembered it. Nam said the answer, fence. Okay, so remember, this one is not a gate. This is a fence. So this is what we use to protect our plants. Okay? Okay, so next one.
Number 10.
Number 10. Okay, what's this?
Where?
What's this? Oh, I can see your eyes. I can hear. You know this? I know you know this. Check.
This
Oops
one
now. Oops.
is easy. It's super easy.
Oops. No, it's a snail. You know what a snail is. Oh no. You know what a snail is.
11.
11. Oh, what's this? Oh, we studied this.
It's right.
Okay, are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, very good. We studied this. We studied this in fall. We use it to rake the leaves.
Number 15.
15. Oh, you know this one. What is this? We use it to what? We use it to water plants. I can see Nam's eyes.
I want to check.
You want to check? It's okay. You can learn what is the name of this one. We call this watering can. This is a watering. We use it to water our plants, especially in the garden. So remember, watering can. Okay? It's okay now. It's
No,
okay.
number 13.
Number
13.
at
13.
13. Oh, what is this?
It
Oh,
is shadow.
it's I think you also don't know this word.
Shadow.
Shadow?
Show. Show. It's a
Shadow.
show.
You want to check?
Yes, it's a show.
Show?
Yes.
Show.
No, I think this is a new word. This is spade. I also yeah. It looks like a shovel, but this is not a shovel. It's a spade. So let's take a look at the shovel for you to be able to know. This is let me just
Wait.
this is a shovel. 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 And this is spade. So they have different shape. 6 7's enough. Okay, so next. So this next number now
Number 14.
14. Okay, so what's this?
It's a grass.
Okay, you want to check?
Yes.
Okay, let's check. Okay, very good. Grass, grass.
Number 12. Number 12.
Okay, number 12. What's this?
It's a rock.
Huh? Is it a rock? Are you sure?
It is
It's about garden.
seed. Seed.
How do you spell that?
SEED.
Okay, so let's check. Okay, very good. These,
Peter, đang spell SEED.
no, it's
Not
it's okay.
have S.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. With or without S, it's still correct because this is the name. Next,
Number 20.
20. Oh, you know this one. I know you know this. What's this? It becomes butterfly. I can see Nam's eye.
We don't know.
That's Peter.
What is that? How do you spell that? Spell.
Can spell.
You can spell? How do you pronounce? How do you say that? If you say it correctly, I will check. If you say it wrong, I will oops. Go. How do you? Your answer is correct, but say it clearly.
Peter, it is quiz or class.
Huh?
It is quiz.
Yes, this is quiz. Can you say the name again? What is this? Your answer is correct, but you need to say it clearly. It's you want to check?
Yes.
I will oops. You aren't saying anything. It's caterpillar, not caterpillar. Caterpillar. Let's say. Can you read this both, Nam and Jang?
Caterpillar.
Okay, very good. You can say it clearly. You didn't try saying it again because you can say it clearly. So this is a caterpillar. So we can see caterpillar mostly in the garden because they eat leaves and they also become butterflies. Okay, so nice try. Nice try, Nam.
Number 19.
Number 19. Oh, what's this? Oh, oh, we have this earlier.
Water hops.
How do you spell?
H O
Hmm.
H I
Ah,
S
H.
E.
H-O. What comes after O?
H O S E. H O I
A?
S
Huh? H-O-A-S-E?
H O S. No I.
H-O-S-E?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So let's check.
Yay.
It's very good. So now don't say the answer. Let Jang I think you're mute.
Number 18.
Number 18. Oh, you know this one.
It's a turtle.
It's a
Turtle.
turtle. How do you spell? Are you sure this is a turtle?
Turtles.
How do you spell tortoise?
Teacher, I see it. Can fly.
Okay, it's okay. Huh? How do you
It
spell?
can fly.
Huh?
It can fly.
It can fly?
Oh yes, it can fly.
Oh no, are you sure? Wait,
Teacher,
how?
a tortoise.
Tortoise. Okay, very good. It's a tortoise. Okay, number
17.
17. Oh, it's
A
easy.
butterfly.
A
Butterfly.
butterfly. Very good. And for the last one, last number. Oh, you know this one.
Hamster.
Hamster. Are you sure? Actually, no.
I want oops because I win.
Huh? You want oops? Are you sure?
No, I don't win. Hamster.
Are you sure this is a hamster?
Yes.
It looks like a hamster, but
A mouse.
it's not a hamster.
It's a mouse.
It's a guinea pig.
Oh,
Yes. So the difference between hamster and guinea pig, guinea pig is much bigger. Hamster is smaller. Okay. Okay, let's play another game. It's okay. You both did a great job. Let's play another game. So, Nam, you want to be first?
Yes. Teacher, I'm team Vietnam.
Team Vietnam. Team Vietnam. Team? What team?
Teacher, play bingo. Team USA.
Can you type what is your name?
USA. Quiz. I know. Cuba. My team is Cuba.
Cuba.
Yes.
Oh, I think it's classic. Oh, quiz again. I think it's quiz.
Quiz.
Oh, classic. It's classic.
Oh. Classy. I like classy.
Okay. What should we play? This one?
Teacher, yeah.
This
Yeah,
one.
team one is me or yeah.
Team 1 is Jang. Team 1 is Nam because you are team 1 earlier. So we will play classic. What's the name of your team, Nam? Nam? What's the name of your team? Huh?
You go in chance.
Oh, you go in chat. Okay, where? Joyco Cool.
Coco Kid.
Oh, Joyco Cool Kid. Okay. How about Jang? Team Vietnam?
No.
Team? Oh, what team?
Team that.
How do you spell that?
Team Vietnam is spider.
Vietnam spider?
No, a spider.
And spider?
No.
Huh?
E E E S P I R E.
This one?
Yes.
Okay.
No.
Ano? Oh,
T
what?
is R S S S.
F?
Yes.
This one?
No. Team Vietnam is spider.
This one?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, just number.
Number
Nam.
one
Okay, number 1. Oh, you know this
is
one.
a face.
Thanks. Okay. Very good. Very good.
Number two.
Oh, what is it?
Is a cat. A cat.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Number three
Number 3.
is a plane.
Are you sure?
A plane or a tree.
Okay,
A
wait.
plane. A plane.
Okay, let's check. Let's check if it's a plant.
A plane.
Okay, very good. Nice. Very good. It's a plant. Number 4.
Four.
What is it? We already answered this one. Shh, shh. We already answered this last time.
Letter P.
Pencil.
Letter P.
You know this one, Jang. Nam remembers it.
Milo.
Pail.
No?
Pail.
What, Jang?
Hat.
Tail.
Hat.
Tail.
Hat. Hat.
No,
Hat.
no coaching.
Hat.
How do you spell that, Jang?
D-I-T-H.
D-I-T-H.
Huh? How do you spell that? Wait,
D-I.
no.
P-E-I-T-H.
P-E-I-T-H? This one?
No. P-I-I. No
P-I.
E.
P-I. This one? This one, Jang? Okay, you want to check?
No. P-I-T-H. P-A.
A?
Yes.
This one?
Yes.
Okay. Final answer?
Yes.
P-I-T-H.
Okay, let's check. Okay, very good. It's a path. Okay, so next. Let's check.
Number 5.
Number 5. Sunod. Oh, give
Five.
give points.
Five.
5 points. Oh no.
Number 6.
Number 6. What is it?
Is grass circle.
Huh? What is it?
I don't know. I want to check.
I want to check. Okay, we call them as bushes. Let's say bushes. Okay. So this one, this round grass, we call them as bushes. Okay. So remember.
Number 7.
Number 7. Oh, it's
a
easy.
butterfly.
Okay, very good. It's a butterfly.
Number 8.
Oh, number 8, swap points.
Oh my God. Wow.
Oh no. Okay. Number 9. Number 9? What number, Nam? It's okay, Nam. Don't be sad. It's only a game. Number 9?
5 minutes.
No, we're still not finished. Oh. What number, Nam? Number 10?
Number 9.
Number 9? Oh, you know this
A
one.
house. A
Okay.
house.
Okay, very good. It's a house.
No, 10.
No, number 10.
It's a pumpkin.
Okay. Pumpkin. Okay, next.
Number 11.
11.
It's a
Oh,
bird.
it's a bird. Very good.
Number
Next.
12. It's
What?
a ladybird.
Okay, let's check.
Yes.
Okay, it's a ladybug. Ladybug. We can also call it ladybird. Yes. So both are correct. Ladybird and ladybug.
Number 13. A
13.
tree.
A tree. Very good.
Number 14.
14.
Yay!
Oh
Number
no.
114.
Oh no.
Number 16.
What is it? You know this
A
one?
worm.
Okay, let's check. Very good. It's a worm.
15.
Oh, what is it?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know? This one's a flower pot. Flower
Oh
pot.
no.
Oh no. It's okay, Nam.
Yay,
You-
I'm winning.
It's okay. You both are winners in teacher's heart. So because you both are very smart. Okay? So no need to be sad. It's okay. It's okay. Yes.
3 minutes. It's 3
Yes.
minutes.
Yes, we only have
We
3
play
minutes. Shall
6.
we
6.
shall we play another one? I think
6
the time.
question. We play 6 question.
What is that?
6 question.
Sequation?
Question.
6 questions.
8.
We have here 8.
Teacher.
We
Teacher.
have 8.
Class junior.
I think we cannot
Class
play.
junior.
We cannot play. So we will just play next time again, okay?
Okay.
So-
Okay, goodbye, teacher.
No, we still have 2 minutes. Let's talk about what you have learned. What you have learned in our lesson in the garden.
I
see watermelon.
fruit.
Fruits, very good. Fruits, what kind of fruits? What kind of fruits did we learn?
Potato.
It's
Potato, watermelon,
watermelon,
onion,
onions,
tomato,
tomato,
corn,
corn.
and beans.
Okay, very good. Is potato a fruit, Nam? No, okay. What is... Oh, is it a fruit? No, it's not a fruit.
Vegetable.
It's vegetable. Very good. It's the vegetable. Okay, so that is what we had learned in the garden. So very good. So for our next lesson, Nam and Jang, so we will talk about the school. 6, 7. We will talk about the school. So make sure to review our...
Goodbye.
Okay. It's puppy playtime, right? Is it? Is it puppy playtime? That one? Yeah, it's puppy playtime. Oh, you have that toy, huh?
Cô bảo là ở trong cái Poppy Playtime.
Puppy playtime. You will play puppy playtime?
No.
No. Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you very much, Nam and Jang. You both did a
Goodbye.
great job. You're both
Goodbye.
smart.